Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to see who viewed your Snapchat story. So to do that, you need to open the Snapchat application first. Click open the Snapchat application and then get logged in into the account. Now once you have been logged in into the account, you are at the camera section. Here you need to tap on the profile icon on the top left. Click that. Here you will have your profile page. On this page, if you scroll down, you will see the My Stories. There will appear all the stories that you have posted in your snaps. Now if you tap that, it will show you your Snapchat, and there at the bottom left you can see the option of 0 views. You tap that and it will show you the list of people who has seen your Snapchat story in the period of time. It will provide you with the details who viewed your Snapchat story. Here you will find all the names just like that in each and every story that you post on Snapchat. So this is how you can see who viewed your Snapchat story. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end. And don't forget to click on the bell icon for the notification and updates from WebToTech tutorial for the similar videos.